have our very own Maharashtra boys, Pune boys. Abhijit and Vipul. This is now what, your second or third annual GSRI event? What do you think about this event?
Oh, it's just a fantastic. The day by day it's growing like anything. In the first year we had an excellent fun, but every year it is going double fold, triple fold. We miss Wayanad, okay, but this is, I can imagine how Wayanad would be. So all the best, guys, and we love the way you have taken the initiative and grown the GS group. So we are happy and to be part of this.
Yeah, it's a very pleasure to be here with the GS Riders India. Basically Vikram and Vinci and all other riders. I'm very lucky that I'm in this group because the GS rider, I have met too many friends. I love to ride. I love to ride for long distance basically. And if you organize a good party, so my goal is to come to meet you all guys. And I hope our community goes more rapper in this India, and we will be world famous.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we'll try to next. Our goal should be world tour.
Absolutely. Thank you guys. Thank you for being here.
Welcome to the world of bliss.
We're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see. We're in heaven. And I found it there in your heart.
Okay, we have Mohit Seth with us, who is a Delhi NCR regional admin of GSRI. It's his first annual GSRI event meetup. Mohit, the mic's on to you. Please tell us what you feel about the event.
Yeah, absolutely. This is my first GSRI event. Simply awesome. Priceless is the word. These moments cannot be compared. This GSRI is the only place which gives you a chance for all people across India to come here, enjoy, meet each other, put names to the faces to the names. And yes, I have only been watching videos for the past 2 years, wanting to be here, and today I am here, and I'm very happy. Thanks to Winston, thanks to you, Cappy. Amazing place, GSRI. Everybody rocks here.
Thank you. Okay, alright, girls. Yes, we do have girls in this event as well. It's not only a guys only event. You know, we have some beautiful ladies over here. Ara, the great Nargis celebrity, and of course, Vaishali. Tell me, what do you think about this event?
I think it's amazing, and we are really happy for all of you guys to welcome us with your open hands and allow us to be in this male-dominated event. So we are very happy, and thank you so much for treating us so good.
Ara, what do you think about it?
I love it.
Love it?
5 years down, I still love it.
Great. Vaishali, this is your second event. What do you think about it? What do you think about the boys?
I'm delightful to be here.
Okay.
Everything is so amazing, so awesome. It's really makes
And
me feel so
every
happy.
guy, every person over here is so respectful, even though we are the only
Exactly.
girls in this whole event.
And all the GS boys were the bad boys, yeah?
Yeah, GS boys are bad boys, but they're all
No bad
really
boys, no bad
respectful,
boys. They're
and
really
we
nice.
really
Very
want
nice.
women to come in to these kind of events. And
They're so respectful. They're so
Okay,
nice. They're so polite.
on the count of 3, say go GSRI.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go GSRI!
forget the boys from down under, from all the way from Bangalore. Brother, how was your experience in your first GSRI annual event?
Oh, it's been amazing. I never expected this could be that much fun. I think I would love to come every year here and meet wonderful friends. And it's one of the best experiences that I've had till date.
Fantastic.
So thank you and your team.
Fantastic. Rajiv, what do you think about it?
Yeah, I concur with Demon, and this is my first GSRI ride, and I've had some amazing moments and met some of the best people. Had some amazing food.
Great. I'm gonna put you guys on a spot.
Okay.
What is that one thing which you don't like in the event till now?
It's
Nothing.
just 2 nights. It's just 2 nights.
Okay, next time will be 3 nights.
3
Okay.
nights. And the fact that we didn't find a tiger.
Yeah, the tiger was missing. Yeah,
Yeah,
tiger's
I
in,
know.
tiger zinda hai magar.
Tiger zinda hai.
Thank you guys for coming. Thank you so much. Okay guys, we have the great GS rider Amit Rao with us. क्या क्या चढ़ा है, क्या क्या तोड़ा है, वो तो उसको ही पता है. And we have the great Ganesh Iyer. He rides a 850 GS. I'm gonna go one by one. Amit, tell us what do you feel about your second annual GSRI event meetup?
So much for having me over here. Trust me, guys. Like, it's been pleasure coming over here, meeting people like you, Ganesh, and the other rider over here. And it's been fun riding with you. Trust me. I don't think I can ride with anybody else apart from you. And obviously we'll get to ride again tomorrow. And trust me, this event is amazing. Like the way you guys have like produced over here, like gather 100 people. It's not that easy.
Thank you. Ganesh, let us know what do you think about the event.
The event has been done pretty well. Organization has been absolutely back on. Good food, nice location. Safari, something thrown in which normally bikers wouldn't immediately think of, and a great gathering to have friends around and to learn about riders, learn about places, learn about how people ride, go out, meet, a lot of things. So absolutely brilliant.
So I'll see you both in the next annual event as well.
Yes,
All the events, Baba.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Hardcore vibes that are untamed. Hey, hardcore vibes that are untamed. Hey,
We have our very own Gujarat boys, Game Cho. Majama. Majama. We have Zubin, the great Zubin, and of course Vikram Singh over here, my namesake. How do you think about this? What do you think about this event?
Yeah, this is my second time visiting GSRI, and this is the second time I enjoyed most in my life, you know. And it's been really, really fun meeting all these new people this time, all the great riders. And I wish to continue coming here for the years to come.
Fantastic. Vikram, what do you think about the event?
Well, one of the best events I've attended, beautiful location. Bandagod is a fantastic choice. This is our heritage. And as Indians, it just makes me feel proud to, explore this country. I mean, we go around the world, but nothing beats India and, the events at GSRI.
Absolutely. Thank you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking time and being here. Thank you so much.